This is the rechargeable travel mirror with light, a portable makeup mirror designed for everyday use in travel. It comes in a soft pink color and features built-in LED lighting, making it easy to check your makeup, skincare, or hair wherever you are. One of the things I like is the three-color lighting options, so you can switch between different light tones depending on your space or the look you're going for. The touch dimmable design also makes it simple to adjust the brightness with just a tap, which is really convenient when you need softer or brighter light. Because it's rechargeable, you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries, and its portable size makes it a great option for packing in a bag, suitcase, or vanity kit. If you're looking for a compact, lighted mirror for travel, daily makeup, or quick touch-ups, this rechargeable travel mirror is a cute and practical choice.